Hi, I'm Tino from XT Adventures, and today I'm gonna show you guys the 360 chain brush from Tirox. So we're gonna try it out. Right now we are in Mumbai, India, and we want to ship our motorcycles to New Zealand, and they're really picky, so the chains has to be really clean, and I'm gonna show you guys if this works or not. Okay, here we got the 360 chain brush from Tirox, and it's like a spiral and you can squish it, so it's actually quite small to pack and actually quite light. And this one is sturdy. I already used it once, so I know what to tell you guys about it. This is the brochure which comes with it, and it explains how to do and why to do. And then here, this is what I like the most. It says, hide it really good, so your friends and family also have to buy one, because they're gonna like this very much. So today I was using diesel to clean the chain. Now better would be a proper chain cleaner, definitely better, but just saying that fuel would be the worst, because it's way too aggressive and it would start to eat your O and X rings, so never use fuel. If you cannot get your hands on a proper cleaner, use diesel. Now the chain is all clean and it's already rusty. I have to lube it right now. So I could clean like everything on the outside. There was just like one problem, and there was like still some dirt like in between. So there the brush can't reach, but you just need like a water hose and then a little bit of pressure, and then just like wash it out, and then it's all good. I cleaned now 2 chains with this little guy, and I have to say it's really easy to use, and I'm definitely faster with it. So this goes into my toolbox and comes with us around the world. If you think this video was helpful or at least entertaining, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up or subscribe to not miss any others. See you.